Hey guys, it is a snowy Sunday afternoon here in West Virginia, so I decided to dust my diorama, and I also decided to switch it up for a couple of hours anyways. And I figured while I had this layout, I would do a video on it because I don't think I've ever done a video with just all trucks at Mr.Norm's, and this is also very unique because all these trucks are 4x4. These are probably all of my 4x4 Mopar trucks except for the ones with Coca-Cola and O'Reilly's livery. There's a few here that I've taken the livery off of that used to be Coca-Cola or O'Reilly. Well, actually, I don't think I've taken anything off an O'Reilly's one, just a Coca-Cola one, thinking about it. So yeah, they are here. Mostly these are M2 machines, with a handful of Hot Wheels, 70 and 80 Power Wagons, and then I do have a handful of GreenLight Ram Chargers and Trail Dusters too. So in the front, it is the 3 releases of the Pick 'em Up truck that they have. Then the 3 non-Coca-Cola or O'Reilly's or Sweethearts Macho Power Wagon. I just seen today that they are going to be releasing another Sweetheart series for Valentine's Day, and it's a Walmart exclusive, and the Mopar truck is going to be the Macho Power Wagon. It looks a little ridiculous, but I will probably pick it up because I have all of them that have been released to date, except for the club piece. But yeah, there's a lot of them coming up actually that have not been released yet. I think I could think of probably 4, maybe 5 off the top of my head. But anyways, yeah, these still will remain the only 3 that look like real Power Wagons. And I changed the wheels on this one to make it look a little more realistic. I got another set of the Christmas ornaments and base swapped it with the red one. So now we have a red one with black wheels and a blue one with black wheels and a blue one with yellow wheels. So there's the blue one with the yellow wheels. And then the factory one is back here. That is the one that came with black wheels. That's how it was released for the ornament set. That is the O'Reilly's exclusive. Oop, knocked over a light pole. The 74. And then this is the Dad Coca-Cola one with the tampos removed. And this guy here is from last year's Christmas ornament set with a better set of wheels on it. There are a couple of 70 Power Wagons from Hot Wheels. The green one is from the Garage series. The purple one is from the LA convention. And then we have some more M2 Power Wagons and the GreenLight Trail Dusters. Both of those are, this is from the Route 66 box set. And there's a Ram Charger. And here are all the SRT 4x4s. This used to be a Coca-Cola, and we removed the tampos. And we also have the one with the tampo on it still. I was going to pull it out, but it's just a little too hard to get to right now, so we'll just stick with these. And then here is the latest Auto Haulers Warlock from the box set. There is the where did they come from? The Diorama set with the Little Red Express 4x4. Actually, we did a video on it. We're going to release it on Tuesday, but we've already done an unboxing video on it. I just had some videos made up already for Monday and Tuesday. This is kind of just a spontaneous one here. And then inside, well, on this side, if you look, there is the 80 Macho Power Wagon from Hot Wheels, the red one from Simon & Simon. That's the first one they released. There is a gray SRT truck on a 4x4 chassis, and a few more not Power Wagons, but Ram Chargers from GreenLight. those are my two favorite ones right there, the red and white, and then the orange one. The orange one has a different top on it now because the one that they give you, they put stupid holes in it for the tent, which I thought was kind of dumb. But I got another green one that I'm using the top from because they were still relatively cheap. I think like $6 each. So I got a couple just to use the tops on other ones. And then, yeah, we've already looked at these guys. There's the first Snow Fighter that was released. It came with a plow. There's the other one from the Christmas ornament set. And there's a yellow 4x4 step side that is totally customized. I removed all the chrome trim and put black trim on it. So I changed it from a 78 to a 74. And then I have the green Power Wagon there. And then another Ram Charger from GreenLight without a top, and then there's one with a top lifted with the South Point livery on it, and a couple of police not power wagons, I keep wanting to call them power wagons, Ram Chargers. One's from the Terminator Hitch and Tow, and the other is the Texas Transportation Authority one. I have the red one too from the County Roads series. There's a red power wagon police car. It actually should have been a fire chief car, I think, but it's a police chief car, or truck, I should say. But I did not bring it out. Forgot to bring that one over here. So now looking into the showroom, we have the other M2 Power Wagon I said I did the wheel swap with. So now we have the red one with black wheels, and then a red one with the yellow wheels, and the blue one with black wheels, and a blue one with yellow wheels. So anyways, yeah, I just ended up getting like 3 sets of them. I sold a couple of my extras and then kept a set to have all black wheels and a set with all yellow wheels. Then there is the Charlotte 70 Power Wagon from Hot Wheels, and then the Walmart exclusive Garage Series Power Wagon that was in the box set. And then here is a Warlock I threw a 4x4 chassis on. I think mine looks better than the one with the gold side panels. I guess that's what they call like a panel style paint job with the sides painted yellowish gold color. It's like a mustard color. I'm not really feeling it, but it's okay. Then in the middle, we have the infamous J-Case 70 Power Wagon from Hot Wheels, which is extremely hard to find, and when you do, it brings big money. Then behind it is the latest from RLC, the 64 Dodge Power Wagon Crew Cab, and then in the back, running along the Jersey walls, is the NFT 70 Power Wagon from Hot Wheels. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to take a video of this and show everybody all of them in one place with one video. And that's it. And then maybe one day I'll do one on all the 2-wheel drive trucks I have. And then maybe one with everything. But one with everything would be quite complicated. I just don't have enough room to lay them all out and show you guys. I'm just panning around the area so you could see all of them again while I'm talking. And yeah, so it'd be easier to do what I just did, the 4-wheel drives, and then maybe in a couple weeks we'll do the 2-wheel drives. After I get the last 2-wheel drive coming in, it is the model kit, the green and black two-tone. That, and then there's a purple one that's a Walmart exclusive, but they have not released it yet. They released pictures of it back in October, but it still has not hit stores. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your Sunday, and we'll be back tomorrow for our Mopar Monday.